Hey friends, it's Brenda here to show you how to face paint this basic dragon. If you want to skip to the fast forward version, just go to minute 3.3. For this dragon, you're going to need some black and white, a red, yellow, a 1/2 inch flat brush, and a number 1 round brush. Load up your flat brush in half yellow and half red. If you have a fancy split cake, you can use that as well. And basically what I'm doing here is I'm pushing and I'm twirling my brush into the edge so that I have like a triangular shape, and one in the back and one in the front. Then pull your brush down and then go across the cheek and round it off at the end. And then I'm going to use the flat of my brush to give it this curve here, and then the edge of my brush, I'm giving it some wispies. And then up top here, I'm giving it some flames, but you can also make a wing if you want to. And I start off with a U shape and then S curves all the way down. And then here I just kind of curve it around and fill in the blank. Next, load up your number 1 round brush with white. And I'm giving it an angry triangle eye and little tiny triangles. I'm just pulling my brush down for the teeth. And then rinse out your brush and load it into the black. And we're basically going to just outline the entire dragon. Here I'm giving it a little C curve and pulling it in. So I'm dragging up a little C and pull it in. When outlining little tiny teeth, I do one part first, so the top here first, and then I do the bottom. So I give it quick little wiggles. I seem to mess up less than doing it individually. For this part, I'm just dragging little wispies, and then the bottom here, they're like S curves. Then I decided to give it a little bit of a tribal look. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. I just felt like it, so there's that. If you want to, you can give your flames a little bit more definition. I'm going in light with my brush, and then I push down at the bottom so that it's a little thicker at the bottom than it is at the top. Now rinse out your brush and load it into your white or any other color you want to use. Green would look cool against this red, or whatever color dragon you have. A complementary color to that dragon will look cool, and it's optional. I do it when I have time. And that is it for the dragon. Here comes the fast version for anyone who just wants to see the process. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. Also, do all the things: subscribe, hit the bell notification, thumbs up, and also follow me on Instagram at FacePaintFriends. I would love to see your version of the dragon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.